So the new Gold Shadow Special Edition Xbox controller. This one is very similar to the Stellar Shift or the Lunar Shift ones. The grippy texture on the back is at the same side and it features that dotted pattern on the inner. The rubbery feeling sides are completely black, which fits well with this design. But previously, they used a very unique design there. It features the same soft feeling front panel, but obviously very different theme going on here. It has that gold to black fade with all blacked out buttons. It looks very cool with the X, I, B and A buttons, as they've used a light gray to fill in the letters on the all blacked out buttons. For the D-pad, they've gone with a shiny gold look, which gives a nice contrast since the gold is almost faded out at that point. All of the buttons are just an exact copy of the original controller though, so you won't get any additional features with this controller. And it's an upgrade from the original since it has those grippy sides. But that comes with a major advantage, since now they won't be sliding off your table any longer. You can clearly see what kind of difference that makes when I filmed it with the previous controller. Even though this one isn't called the Gold Shift, the colors do shift a little, as the gold is only shiny from the front, and it fades out from the sides. As far as connections go, it's all of the same too. Now, if you aren't done watching controller videos, make sure you check out this one too. And I hope to see you there.